whole food plant-based, SOS free, meaning no sugar, oil, or salt. And I talk to people about it sometimes, and so often people say, well, I don't use salt, because they think that the only time that they get salt in their diet is when they pick up a salt shaker and actually, physically put it on themselves. And they don't realize that if they eat a slice of bread, it has more sodium in it than one little potato chip, and they can't taste the salt in the bread, but it's there. So it is hidden in a lot of foods. And that's why it's so important to have guidance from someone like yourselves to show them. But giving up salt doesn't mean giving up flavor. Right. So right. So because I think that's one of the reasons why a lot of people, when they adopt this lifestyle, and when they find out that they can eat so much food and not weigh or measure, that they really say, and that it tastes good. So and that's the bonus. So that's really great. And it's something for people to know, that when you adopt this lifestyle, as you were saying, I mean, you need to do this, especially if you're going to be reducing your blood pressure, or if you're diabetic, right? These are the things that you might be on medications for, and you could become dangerously over medicated in a really short period of time, because this diet is so effective. So I do encourage you. You can work with someone like Dr. Shapiro and not all doctors are expert at titrating you down off of medications. They know how to prescribe them, but they really aren't all experts at that. So it's good to be with a physician that knows about titrating off medications.
So actually, I work as an OBGYN in my job at Genentech, but I work as a health coach with clients. So I will assist you, but I would have you work with a physician also to get off of medications, especially if you've been on them for a while. We were talking about salt and being on an SOS free diet, but it's interesting because once you've done it and been on this for a while, your taste buds